The James Cook University Hospital and Major Trauma Centre were looking to replace their current endoscope washer disinfectors, EWDs, as their existing EWDs were coming to the end of their life. The requirement was to future-proof the service to cover more patients by increasing capacity within the current footprint.
Those IMED, because the machines have a longer lifespan, we have the capacity of 1 scope, 2 scope and 3 scope washer.
IMED's range of Steelco EWDs provided James Cook with a choice of machines with different scope capacities. They selected the Steelco EW2 2S and the EW2 3S, as well as the new Steelco EW1S Maxi with its fast cycle and automatic endoscope connection system. This meant that not only could James Cook optimize workflow, they could also maximize their existing space, as well as increasing their throughput.
Benefits for the Steelco machines is reliability and cost effectiveness because of the fact that we wash multiple scopes simultaneously.
James Cook has also taken advantage of Steelco's unique OCS technology, a one-time connection system connecting to the scope at the sink for the manual pre-clean stage and remaining connected into the EWD for a seamless error-proof connection. Following high-level disinfection, the endoscope remains connected on the tray straight into the drying cabinet, eliminating the risk of scope recontamination. A recent study demonstrated that adopting the OCS system has the potential to save an average of 7 hours per week of operator time, simply by reducing connection and disconnection timings, with the additional advantages of endoscope protection and reduced manual handling for the operator.
The manual handling for the staff is a lot easier and the machines are easier to use.
They're easy to use, they're reliable. I also like how easy it is to take the water sample from.
Doing the water samples is a lot easier. The versatile way you can put 1 scope in to 3 scopes in different machines.
The IMED Steelco EWDs not only deliver reliability and durability, but also reduce water and energy consumption.
The training from the academy was really helpful and it gave me more knowledge of the machines. It also gave me more confidence when using the machines.
So the type of training we offered for the James Cook was first of all introduction to the actual equipment itself, as it's completely new to what they previously had. We always start off from the basics, and as the confidence grows in the staff, we then move on to sort of more advanced training.
Some of the things we looked at was flows and how to work out different faults. I also learned how to add new scopes and loan scopes.
The benefits of the training from the academy is obviously first and foremost is for the staff to understand how to use the equipment, how to use it safely, obviously confidently as well, to deliver safe medical devices for our patients.
Steelco washers makes our job a lot easier and they're more user friendly than any other machines that we've come across.